Hi, good day everyone. I'm Rosal-Jaramilla, the programmer and the developer of our system, the web-based Capstone book Compendium. Books plays a significant role in our life. They say that when you open a book, you open a new world. I believe that everyone would agree with this statement, as books have become inevitable to mankind. For a majority of people, books are part of their everyday life. But for an information technology student, Capstone book is a must because it is a final assessment on the academic years, which signifies the completion of a program and the peak of achievement. In the field of technology, one of the challenges is how rapidly it changes. As technology changes, new ideas, new works, and new evolution appear. Managing books even change. Technology has changed the expectations of library patrons. People today expect to be able to find and access information wherever they are. This is why so many public library systems across the country have increased both computers for use inside the library as well as mobile and online access. In ISPSC Tagudin campus, particularly in the BSIT head office, Capstone books are kept on the shelves and is operated manually. In such situations, the BSIT program head is involved in the process of managing the Capstone books manually. Manual record bookkeeping is not a reliable method, as people tend to forget things. That is why me and my group mate, Renato G. Mupas, came up with web-based Capstone book Compendium. This would be a great help in the file management of books. The system can be of help in the easier way of accessing a particular Capstone book. Now, for our system, make sure that you already installed the SAMP application. Since I already installed the SAMP application, I will click on the SAMP icon below, and then I will click on the start button of the Apache and the MySQL. Make sure that the port has appeared. Since the port has already appeared, go to any web browser. But for me, I will use the Google Chrome. Click on the Google Chrome. Type in localhost/book. After clicking on the OK, it will go directly to the home page of our system. So this is the web-based Capstone book Compendium homepage with the navigation bar. We have the home, the login, and the register. And as you have noticed, we have this search bar wherein you can search a particular book, and then the author, the language used, and the year will show up after clicking on the search button. But I will explain that later after I've added a new book. So to continue, in order to use the system, we need to register first. But before that, you will notice that in every page that it will go, it was in HTML. Because this system was developed using HTML, CSS, powered by Ajax using JSON, JavaScript, and jQuery. So to continue, we need to register first. So we need to click in the register. So I need to register a new name. So I will register the username. It's Regen. And the password is 123, but I will try to confirm a wrong password, 234. Clicking on the register, an alert will say that the password and confirm password not match. So after pressing on the OK button, you need to fill in again. So I will click in Regen with an H and 123 for the password, confirm password 123. And then the register. Click register button. After you successfully registered, an alert will say that you had registered successfully. Then you need to click the OK button to continue. After clicking on the OK button, it will go directly to the login page. Oh, I opened the Wi-Fi. We'll just close that for faster use of the local host. And this is the login page. I will type in Regen, the first one I just added. Regen, but I will try to use a wrong password. Log in. An alert will say that I have input an incorrect password or a username. Then I will need to try it again. Click OK to fill it up. I will type in Regen with the correct password, which is 123, and type login. Then if you log in successfully and you type in the correct username and the password, it will go directly to the dashboard page. This is the dashboard wherein it has the two widgets, the total book and the total abstract, with a chart which represent all the total number of books grouped by year. On the upper right section, here you can manage, this is the user management, and in the sidebar, wherein all the navigation bars shows up. And to continue, in order to add a new book, click on the book management. So after clicking on the book management, it will go directly to the table wherein all the list of books can be viewed. If you notice, it's all in HTML. So if you scroll down, you can view all the list of books. And if you want to add a new book, you can add a new book. So I will add a new book. Add a title, chatbot for Mambug. So we'll use the title by the language HTML with the year 2019. A chatbot developed for the constituents of Barangay Mambug for better communication. Then I will put the author. I will try to put the author and then Rosal. And I will add a new author. I will say Renato Reyes. And then submit. After clicking on the submit button, it will go directly to the book management page wherein you can view all the list of books. And I've added the chatbot for Mambug. The author is Rosal and Renato Reyes. And then if you want to edit it, you click on the edit button. Chatbot for Mambug, Santa Cruz, Ilocos. There, HTML, CSS. And then I can add a new author. I can add Virginia Reyes. Update. After clicking on the update button, it will still go directly to the book management page wherein you can view all the list of books. And this is what I've already edited. I added Santa Cruz Ilocos for the chatbot for Mambug, and another author is Virginia Reyes. Moving on, a search button. From the search button, you can search a particular title of a book, or if you want to search the book of that particular author, you can use the search button for the author. Or the title, you can search a title. I will click on the chatbot for Mambug Santa Cruz Ilocos Sur. And if I click the search button, some information will appear. Clicking on the view button, all the information of that particular book will appear. It will go here in the view page, wherein you can even print a copy or even download it. So clicking on the print button, it will go directly to an FPDF file wherein you can download and you can print a copy of it. Press back, press back, and we will go back. Next is the reports. Under the reports, we have the book, the author, the abstract, and the list. In the book reports, from here you can see all the list of book, the title of the book. All the title of the book will appear. If you want a copy of it, click the print button. It will go directly to an FPDF file, and this is the FPDF file of the list of books, wherein you can download a copy of it or you can print. So I will try to download it. I will put the title name list of books, the file name I should say, and then after it's been downloaded you can click on it, and from here you can print a copy of it or you can print directly from the system. Just click on the printer icon on the upper right section. Next is the list of authors. From the report section, in the top bar menu, click on the author. It will go directly on the table wherein you can view all the authors. These are all the author of the book. Click on the print button to print a copy of it, and it will go directly to an FPDF file wherein all the list of author can be viewed, wherein you can download a copy of it or you can print it. Next are the list of abstracts under the reports tab. Clicking on the abstract, it will go directly to a table wherein you can view all the list of abstract, the title of the book with its abstract. So these are all the books, and then if you want a copy of it, click the print button. An FPDF file will show up and you can download a copy or you can print it. Next, all list under the reports tab in the navigation menu. So clicking on the all list, it will show all the list of books with all the information on it. So the title, the language used, the author, the year, and the abstract of all the books that's been recorded will appear. And from here, you can print a copy of it by clicking on the print button. After clicking on the print button, it will go directly to an FPDF file wherein you can download and you can print a copy of it. Next is the user management. Click on the upper right section of the system. A drop-down menu will appear showing the profile wherein you can change the username and wherein you can change the password, as well as if you want to log out. So I will change my username. I will remove the H and then update. Next, I will change my password. Due for security reason, the user should type in the old password in order to have a new password. So I will try to put a new password, which is 234, but I will type in a wrong password. So we will see what will happen. clicking on a wrong password, it says that the old password not match. So we need to press OK and fill it up again. But this time, I will put the correct password. So I will change the new password to 234 with the old password of 123, and then click update. Then it will, and an alert will say that I have changed the password successfully. Since I already explained to you the book management and the user management of our system, as well as the reports, I will go back and I will log out to go back to the home page in order to manage the search bar in the home page. So after clicking on the log out, it will go directly to the home page of the system. As I have said before, I'm going to explain this part. In this part, this is actually for a visitor or for the new researchers, wherein they could search a particular book as the reference. So since I've just added the chatbot for Mambug, I will search it, and the author, the language, and the year it was published will show up after clicking on the search button. I will press on the search button and it does appear. I can also search the different book. Click search and all the authors, language used, and the year it published will appear. Hope you understand the web-based Capstone book compendium. Thank you very much, and that would be the end of my presentation. Thank you, God bless, and have a good day. I'm Mary Jane Jaramilla, signing off. Thank you.